Have you ever feel Microsoft Team is just a chat room? Too many opinions, not enough result? Well, I said no more. I added 6 AI-powered applications to my team to fix my chaos. And now I'm the Iron Man of my remote work. So let's check out the lineup and how each one actually helps. Trello. Trello is not just a Kanban board. Inside my team, it's a project control center. I used to track the task, move the card during the meeting, and tag my team members who is going to finish it by Friday. I swear. It is like visualizing your task without having 74 sticky notes on your monitor. And the best part, Trello AI can suggest due date based on your habit, and it knows I'm the last minute warrior. Writer block, idea fatigue, social media is not going anywhere, and that's when prompts save me. This little genius sits in my team channel, give me content idea, headlines, quickly replies. Once I typed, give me funny quote about meetings, and what I got? Meetings where minutes are kept, hours are lost. Brilliant. 10 out of 10. Would use again? Miro under Teams like whiteboard on caffeine. You are brainstorming ideas, or creating customer journey, or you are doodling, just pretending to listen. Miro got your back. You can vote for the ideas, you can comment live, even AI can group stickies as per theme. Once it grouped, like get coffee, sleep more, turn off notifications, under wellness. Isn't it funny? But you got me. This is Miro. Read AI meetings. We love to hate them. And Read AI changed the game. It listens to your meetings carefully and give you items like LTDR, action items, and even though the sentiment analysis of your meetings, that how was the meeting? It was awesome or it was awkward. It is like having a super assistant who is not taking lunch break. Don't forget the stuff. And also, it is your communication coach. Whatever filler words you are using, like so that you will get all those in your report. OneNote, it's better with AI. Inside team, it's smarter than ever. You can create the bullet points using AI. You can convert your dumps into organized thought. And you can automatically connect your to-dos. And it's a place where chaotic brain dumps go and become an organized adult thought. And let's not forget, you can sync across your phone, desktop, and web, online or offline. That's awesome. Copilot, and that's the backbone, like a super advisor under Microsoft Teams. No matter in which industry you are a salesperson, you are a marketing person, you are in wellness, you are in a health, whatever industry you are working, my friend, you can create your own agents based on your instructions, and right away you will get the answer. So, my friend, there are many more to come. You will have voice agent, and these agents will do your work on your behalf. You don't have to do anything. So play with Copilot. All right, that's my AI powered pack inside Microsoft Teams. From Trello to manage the chaos, to Miro, a visual playground, and Copilot to create your own clone. Which one your favorite? Please comment. Please smash the like button and subscribe if you want more AI power hacks like this. And remember, your team might not work harder, but your teams can work smarter. See you in next video. This is Sandeep Mishra signing out.